You hear that? The peace and the greenery. There's baboons in here. Highlander is black diamond. It must mean it's the easiest one. And cheetahs, snow leopards, Siberian tigers. But you can't see them. They're camouflaged. It's beautiful. Black diamond's got 4 points. Outlined in yellow. This is interesting. It's mating season for the koalas, who are also in this jungle. If you can see, right up there, there's one. Maybe two. Maybe an entire family of them. You see them? I see them. I see everything. The sun is going down. Probably put my optical device away. Very interesting out here. It's quiet. So say, too quiet.